Hey guys, Wo Davey here. Welcome back to the channel. We are at Busch Gardens Tampa and we are coming to you today for Iron Gwazi preview day. We're going to ride it and we are going to record all of it for you guys. I hope you enjoy this video. We are so excited. We've been waiting like years. That thing's it's been standing there for what, like 2-3 years?
Yeah.
And yeah, so we're finally gonna get to ride it. So yeah. If you're ready, let's go have some fun.
Turn up. Swirl. Turn up the light. Turn up.
So we just made it into the park and we're making our way over to Iron Gwazi right now. So we're gonna throw our stuff in a locker and get on Iron Gwazi. I'm so excited for this. This is like amazing. I've been waiting for this day forever. So yeah, it's finally gonna happen today and I'm happy. Omar's back there filming too. But yeah, it's gonna be so much fun. So in case you're wondering, today is a Platinum Pass member preview, and that's why we're here to check out Iron Gwazi for the preview days. So we're here on preview day, and we're gonna check it out. So I don't know, are you ready?
Not really.
I'm ready. He's nervous. I'm ready. So just an update, this is new to me. I've been coming to theme parks for years. I've never heard of them shutting down a ride due to wind, but apparently because of the wind, the roller coaster is temporarily down. Yeah, not lightning, but wind. And mind you, it's not windy at all, but I'm just throwing that in there. It's windy. So a slight breeze. But yeah, I could understand if there was lightning or something. But yeah, we are in line and hopefully we will get to ride this thing because we drove a long way to get here. But yeah, don't try to come on the roller coasters at Busch Gardens if it's windy, because you won't get to ride. There's a slight breeze. Oh, sorry, the ride's closed. Here is a close look of the station.
Coaster. It's broken.
Oh no, the coaster, it's broken, yeah. So we're gonna ride row 4. Okay, we're gonna get on it right now. Okay, so when you get on, there is a seat belt and a lap bar. No over-the-shoulder harness, just a seat belt, as you can see. Seat belt and a lap bar.
You gotta take your hat off.
Oh yeah. Take your hat off, put your cell phone and everything in a locker. Woo! Oh, here we go. Oh my gosh.
There's no people in that line.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And it's kind of cold out here. Oh my gosh. Ah, look how high. Oh my god. Look at the moon! I see the moon. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna scream!
Oh,
I hate this!
Oh my goodness. The people in front of us weren't lying. This was intense. Velocicoaster's now number 2.
We're gonna go get our picture.
Iron Gwazi is our new favorite. Woo! Oh my gosh.
Oh my god!
What did you think?
It's intense.
That was amazing.
This is almost, I can compare it to like Fury, but past it.
Yes, Falcon, or not Falcon Fury. That's here. You're talking about Fury 305 at Carowinds, right? I think it's called Fury 305. Carowinds, yeah.
One in Carowinds.
Woo, we made it out alive. So as you get off the ride, they give you this like first to ride Iron Gwazi pin. Just want to show off. As you exit the ride, they will give you a little pin. So yeah, awesome. Also right outside of the queue, they have this really cool photo drop, and they got some signage, you know, Busch Gardens signs that say first to ride, and of course hashtag Iron Gwazi. And if you want to check out if you're tall enough or how the seat fits, there's a little area out front of the ride to check that out as well. Guests must be at least 48 inches to ride. Let's look at the seats. Very comfortable seats, roomy seats. The tallest, fastest, and steepest. Here is the area where you will check out your ride photos. So don't forget to check out your ride photos once you get out off of Iron Gwazi. And when you get off of Iron Gwazi, of course, you go into a cool little gift shop. So definitely check out the gift shop.
You know if you can get those online, if they're available? What are you looking for?
Lots of cool shirts.
Dad, I'll take it. I'll take a long sleeve shirt.
So that was our video of Iron Gwazi. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We had so much fun riding it, so much fun recording it. Like, I can't even say the word fun enough. Like, this ride was so fun. Like, if y'all been on Velocicoaster, this is right up there with it. So much fun, so much airtime. We waited quite a bit, but it was so worth the wait. What did you think?
It was good. It's pretty intense.
It's fast. You will flip upside down. So much fun. But thank you so much for watching this video. At some point during this video, I hope y'all said, "Whoa, Davey!" Bye.